You can't build a completely new life if you're still thinking like the old you. Like, you'll never cultivate your self-belief if you still act and think like the man you're trying to outgrow, like the life you're trying to outgrow. In life, bro, we'll only make certain moves based on our level of self-belief and based on our level of self-identity, but that's what's keeping most men stuck, bro. Instead of them making the investments they should be, and them thinking like the 10.0 self, how that life would look like, how they would feel, they're letting their disbeliefs, they're letting their past dictate their actions. They're letting the fear of failure, the doubt creep in and dictate their actions and letting their old identity take over as opposed to being man enough and doing completely what it takes to shift into the new fucking them. And you gotta realize it all comes down to self-development because our level of lifestyle, because our life will never exceed our level of self-development. And for us to truly step into that, man, we gotta think like him. Like, you can't let your self-beliefs, you can't let everything that's got you to this current level keep you stuck from truly stepping into that life that you know deep down you can live. But it's you getting in the way. It's you being your own prisoner of your fucking mind, stopping you and telling you that you're not worthy, telling you that you don't have enough. When you do. The only thing stopping the average man from the elite man that's got everything he wants, he's got that girl, he's got that loving family, he's got the car, he's got the lifestyle, he's got freedom at his fingertips, he's got the physique that he's truly worked for the longest time. The only thing stopping him is his self-belief, because our self-belief, our identity as a man will shape our actions, and our actions will ultimately shape our future. And you can keep falling victim of your disbeliefs. You can keep falling victim to whatever narrative you keep telling yourself. Those narratives have kept you playing small for those years. Those narratives that were conditioned upon you to believe by your upbringing, by your family members telling you you're not enough, instead of you overcoming those fears through perpetual and unconditional fucking action, my brother. You gotta realize there's no way you can truly step into that new man, that 10.0 you, if you're still letting your past define you, if you're still letting your limiting belief define you, if you're still letting the people in your environment fucking define you. The way I overcame everything, the way I overcame that skinny, anxious, 70 kilo kid is by continual action, continual self-development, because those little things stack up. The little moments stack up. The little wins stack up. If you tell yourself tomorrow morning you're going to get up and you're going to train, something as simple as that. No one else might have known that tomorrow morning you might have snoozed through your alarm clock. No one else might have realized that you didn't uphold that commitment you made, but every broken promise you keep to yourself, that self-doubt, that's the consequence of you not upholding that promise you fucking made the night before when you told yourself this time would be fucking different, 2025 would be fucking different. All those broken promises stack up, and that's exactly why you're fucking stuck, because you don't have that proven, concrete track record of you being the man that always follows through. So you know, whether you have the fear of uncertainty, whether you have doubt in the future, and you're unsure, you still know for sure that you as a fucking man, you've upholded your word beyond anything. And that's all that fucking matters, my brother. So start small, but go big. It all starts in your daily mornings. Wake up fucking early, hydrate. Talk to yourself like you're fucking it. And the moment you start to compound those little wins, those days turn into weeks, those weeks turn into months, and those months turn into fucking years. But you can't think too far ahead in the future. You gotta start small. Start small, but go big. And for you to truly transform, it all starts in here. It all starts in there. And it all starts in here. Show up every day. Chase your fucking purpose. Chase your fucking vision. Chase your fucking mission. And you gotta realize that your life's gotta fucking mean something. It's gotta fucking mean something to you. And for you to truly change, you gotta do something you've never done, because you gotta realize we all make decisions based on who we believe we are. And for us to truly change everything around us, we gotta make decisions based on the man we could be. That 10.0 version of us. So if you're still Too afraid. Letting the fear of failure, letting the self-doubt creep in and stop you from taking that risk, that opportunity that's disguised that risk. You taking that trip across the world, quitting that fucking job that you know your conscience inside of you is telling you to quit. You asking that girl out, you showing up to the gym consistently when all you want to do is quit. Those wins stack up. And that's how you truly morph and shape into that new powerful self-identity. But it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight, but self-development, fitness is the fucking way. It's the answer. And it's a path to the rest of your life. Whether you have business aspirations, whether you want to be a millionaire, whatever you want to do, fitness is the way. Fitness lays a foundation for the rest of your fucking life, and self-development is key. Because the quality of our life will never exceed a level of self-development. And if you want to step into that most powerful you got to do things you've never done before. You got to take risks, self-investments you've never done, because one good mentor can change the trajectory of your life forever. That's what happened with me, with a big homie, Wes fucking Watson. And I wouldn't be this jack 90 kilo version of me if I was still afraid. Still afraid to do what it took. Too afraid to show my journey online, to show my fucking fitness, to have a red hot fucking crack for my life, because I was too afraid of those people around me and what they would have thought. But I let that fear take over my actions, take over my life, take over my identity for far way too long, my brother, and I fucking had enough. And I made it fucking happen. So I want you to look at me. And I want this to be the first day of the rest of your fucking life. And I want you to start small, but go fucking big. Take that risk. You know what your conscience is telling you. You know that thing that I'm telling you and I'm calling you up to fucking do. So I want you to wake up. I want you to take your fucking power back, and I want you to make it fucking happen. And whatever that thing is, it's calling you up into something bigger, something greater. And it's in your heart for a fucking reason. Big love, my brother. Drop a follow, subscribe below. Message me on Instagram, let's have a chat. I respond to all my messages directly, brother to brother. And I hope this video fucking lit that fire inside of you once and for all. You spent far way too long negotiating with your own fucking potential. Let this be the first day of the rest of your fucking life, and let your new profound self-belief be cultivated by all those yeses you keep saying and all those commitments you finally fucking follow through on. Big love, my brother. I'll be speaking to you very soon. Let's run this shit up. Yeah.